Yeah.
Watching my wife a few weeks ago with an avocado, she had a knife, a chopping board, and she got the avocado like that and done what we all do with avocados, cut it in half, and then after peeling the two halves apart, this one's quite a stiff avocado, she then proceeded to get this great big cleaver and start bashing it to get the stone out. Up and down the country, people have cut their fingers off, hurt their hands, done all sorts of grievous injuries to themselves getting that stone out. Why on earth don't they just go like that and out it pops? Easy,
Yeah.
peasy, lemon squeezy. Just a quick squeeze and out it comes. That's a hard avocado. On a very soft avocado, it comes out even easier.
And the softer avocado means when people try and cut the stone out, it goes straight through into their hands.
Is anyone out there who's been chopping away, trying to get the stone out? I'm wondering why you simply just don't give it a quick little squeeze and out it comes. I mean, these avocados are absolutely rock hard. On a ripe avocado, they virtually drop out. That's how hard they are. Just, oh, there you go. There you go. There. Squeeze and pop. Out it comes. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Can you edit that? Yep, just out it comes. Pop. You can edit that, can't you?
And look what I can do.